following from our previous video where we did a survey form that looks like this, a simple 3-question survey. Okay, we're going to show you how to tabulate the results and make some interpretations. So if you go back to the editor page, this is our survey form, and if you click up here, responses, I have 30 responses here. Okay, and as you click that, they will show you some results here. Not all make sense. I think the gender, a pie chart like that, that is fine, but it doesn't make much sense here if I want to see a column chart or bar chart. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, if you click on this green button on the top right, this opens up the spreadsheet. Okay, and we're going to, when you click that, create a new spreadsheet. Okay, let's do that. Let's create that. And now our Google documents will begin to open this. So this is our Excel, like Excel. It's a spreadsheet similar to Excel. What you have in the first column, a timestamp. Okay, we can ignore that for now. Column B, agenda. Column C is our question 2. Just to avoid confusion, you can open that up. And column D. Alright, so I have these. I'm just going to highlight them. Alright, and how we do a chart is we're going to use pivot tables. Okay, so I have 3 questions. So what we're going to do is highlight question 1, question 2, question 3, the header, together with the data found below. Okay, just like that. Okay, once you've got that, in Excel, you go to insert pivot table, but you see it's not here. Okay, where our pivot table is under data, the data menu, and you find pivot table at the end. Okay, you just click on that. They will open a new tab here, and your pivot table goes here. And here's where we operate the fields in our pivot table. So let's say I do add gender. Okay, and that comes out. And next, let's do the values. Let's count how many females and males responded to our survey. So under values, let's add field, and just click on the gender. You notice that it's looking the way we want, but there's something wrong with these values. Okay, what is wrong here is you need to change this. Summarize by, click on this little arrow and click on count A or counter. All right, and that will give you how many female and male. And you can do a pie chart here, similar to what you saw earlier. Okay, insert chart. Okay, once again, highlight the male, female, the category, and the numbers, these 4, and then insert chart. Okay, the recommended chart they will show you is like that, and you just click OK, and that's it. Okay, now you can copy this chart, okay, and paste it in what do you call the slides. All right, and how we do that? Let's go over here. Let's open our Google Slides, and we can just paste it over here. Okay, what I did was a Control C and Control V. Okay, so that is our pie chart, and you can say this is our gender distribution. All right, so something like that. Okay, let's go back to our survey. Let's do another pivot table. Okay, with this same highlighted, we go to Data, Pivot Table. Okay, now let's look at the first choice, Polytechnic. So let's go to question 2 and let's count the choices. Okay, once again, you see all zeros, just change this, summarize by count A. Okay, that gives us the responses. Okay, to view this visually, select the responses and the count, insert chart. Okay, this will do, column chart. Okay, you can copy. I'm just going to click this, Control C, and go to our presentation and paste it. Okay, again, don't link and just paste it there. Okay, so this is our first choice. First choice Polytechnic. Okay, and let's go back to our results. Let's do a third pivot table now. Same with this highlighted. Go to Data, Pivot Table. Okay, we're going to do the third one, which is our factors. Question 3, factors influencing the choice. And again, values. Let's total that up. All right, and summarize it by count A. Okay, let's do a column chart here. Insert chart. All right, and this is, you notice that we can conclude that most of our respondents make their choice based on where their friends are going, and next by location and reputation. Okay, so let's just copy this, Control C, and let's paste that there. Don't link, paste it there. Okay, and let's do a last one. I'm going to show you how you can see what you call two variables. Okay, let's do another, a fourth chart. Let's go to Data, Pivot Table. Okay, let's see if there's any, does gender influence the factor? So let's put the gender on the row, male and female, and on the column, let's put the factor influencing the choice. Okay, and let's do some counts here, the factors, and summarize by count A. Okay, what we're trying to see is that you can see that most males had a stronger influence on the reputation. Okay, location is quite even, friends quite even, and for this particular survey, the females were more influenced by their parents. Okay, so to view this, we're going to highlight these, okay, something like X and Y variables and the numbers, and insert chart. Okay, and yes, this will do. Okay, copy this, and let's go back to our slides. And this will give us our factors breakdown by gender. Okay, so a quick summary there. Of course, you got to add your intro and conclusions there. But this is how you tabulate your results here using pivot tables, charts, and then pasting them in the presentation. I hope this helps you.